second video. So I'm going to this part where the night was before that. The children in their beds until this happened. 2 a.m. What? Oh my god! The fire alarms are going off. Somebody pulled the fire alarm. Everyone's like, we need to evacuate. Evacuate, 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 evacuate. Fire alarm. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out! This went horribly wrong. We need to take the stairs. We can't use elevators. Because the fire alarms are going off. When somebody pulls the fire alarm, I'm going to reset the system. Lights are flashing. Sounds like a system sensor horn. They're outside. There's a fire truck right there. It's pulling in. Someone pulled the fire alarm. It was like this.
Well, kids, you're never going to forget this trip. Whoa. Did somebody call the fire alarm?
It's a joke in Christine.
Maybe it was the Joker, Christina. Okay. Apparently
The fire at Yosemite City Elementary School is on fire.
you woke up on vacation. Forever for that.
Let's go to the school where Michael Yosemite Productions is.
Oh no. Was that crazy? Did that get your heart pumping, Tay? McCoy? Was that scary? Yeah, that was a little bit nerve wracking, right, Mom?
Yes.
It's like, I get up, I'm like, oh, what's going on? Christine's like, get your stuff and get out.
It was like looking at the fire alarm. I'm like, no, we have to get out.
I was like, how do you turn this thing on? How do you turn this fire alarm off? It's so loud.
There's going to be a lot of tired
Someone's like, I'm going to pull the fire alarm.
But whatever it was, like, they left them really quickly, which is a surprise because usually they have to do like a whole sweep of the building.
Okay, we are in 27 minutes. Somebody pulled the fire.
The fire department, there's a fire truck that's pulled.
The fire department.
Dudes that got out and want to check stuff out.
And then we resetted the fire alarm system. And then there was a false alarm. It's time to go back to someone was a fire alarm puller. So it's like, I'm going to pull the fire alarm.
It's so ringing now. Oh my gosh. Like
everyone's like, a freaking, I was like, we have a freaking fire alarm. Guys, evacuate.
Don't think so. I'm having a hard time with words right now. Okay, Mom, let's get these kids back to bed.
We'll get these kids back to bed.
Holy crap, no.
Good job, kids. Hey, that was really smooth though. Like, you wondered like what kind of chaos there would be if there was a fire, and like it was really smooth. It went really quickly. Everyone was nice. It wasn't that serious.
Time to hit the hay. See you guys and see you.
That's the end of this video. Please request me some more videos. Please subscribe to our channel. Goodbye. See you again in the next video.